I'm Luis Neto. This is my voyage from Refugee to refitting a sailboat. I'm a barber at sea, cutting through the waves. If I can do it, so you can.
Good morning, guys. Today marks another pivotal chapter in our journey. A journey that symbolizes not just the restoration of a vessel, but the continual shaping of a dream. Our focus lies on the essential tasks that beacon completion before our beloved yacht graces the water once more.
Our agenda is ambitious, reflective of a broader voyage from aspirations to reality. First, we turn our attention to the anodes, guardians against the corrosion, ensuring our yacht remains robust and resilient against the elements. This task, while technical, underscores our commitment to durability and safety.
When I was inspecting the anodes, I've noticed that it's still good for another season. So there is no need to replace that one. However, the anode for the propeller or for the prop shaft is completely worn out, so it's gone due to corrosion. I'm gonna have to replace it with another one. As you guys can see, this would need some attention. The whole varnish is peeling off, so I'm gonna oil it instead this year rather than varnish. The companionway doors. Okay, I'm gonna have to remove all the wooden slats, those, and then sanding, insulate that part, and I'll try and insulate this one as well, insulate all of that. Insulate this. I got mold to clean as well, since it was closed over winter. Could be all signs of mold. Fix this. That's where the curtains used to be.
Anticipation builds up as we prepare the V-berth for insulation. Comfort and protection against the elements for those aboard is paramount. I'll now have to check the engine since the end of the season that I haven't turned it on and try and make it work. Let's see if it's gonna start. Let's crack on. And another act of the day beacons a shake of the heart of our yacht, the engine. Each start is symbolic, a pulse that signifies readiness, adventures, and the promise of journeys to come.
And this is it since last year. There is a lever here that I need to keep pumping to pressure the diesel. There is a lever here on the engine that I need to pump to pull the diesel until here the filter and see if it starts.
Bleeding your engine is all about removing air from the fuel system, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly without interruptions. Do this step by step. First things first, locate your primary fuel filter and the fuel injection pump. These are key players in the operation. You will want to have some tools handy, a wrench and something to catch any spills. Starting by loosening the bleed screw here on the primary fuel filter, but don't remove it entirely. Position a container underneath to catch the diesel that might escape. Now pump the manual primer, affectionately known as lever, until you see diesel free of air bubbles flowing out. This might take a few pumps, so be patient. Once you see a steady stream of fuel, tighten up the bleed screw. We will repeat the same process on the fuel injection pump. It's crucial to ensure there is no leaks. After all the screws are tight, it's time to start the engine. Let it run for a few minutes and watch for any irregularities. If everything sounds good, you have successfully bleed your engine.
Yes, it started. But I could not let it run for so long because it needs water to cool the impeller. So I need to put a hose in here and the water goes through here, through this hose, and there is an impeller inside here, and if I run longer than a couple of seconds or minutes, then it will burn the impeller. So that's why I turned the engine off. It's good to know that it's starting. Success, mission accomplished. I have to rig something to put water because I'm gonna have to keep the engine running for a couple of minutes. So that's the best solution I could come up with to go and turn on the engine.
Maintaining your yacht's engine might seem daunting, but it's all part of the sailing journey. Keep your engine in top shape, ensure you can enjoy your time on the water without worry.
Okay, so stop.
When bleeding a diesel engine, it's important to take several precautions to ensure both your safety and proper functioning of your engine. Wear protective gear, avoid over-tightened screws, check for leaks, ensure completely bleeding, and monitor engine for performance. Proactive schedule maintenance always stays ahead. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. This saying holds especially true for the care of your yacht's diesel engine. Establish and adhere to strict maintenance schedule based on the manufacturer's recommendation of your own user pattern. Regular inspections, timely replacement of wear components like filters and belts, and immediate attention to any signs of problems such as leaks or unusual noises are essential. By staying proactive, you not only extend the life of your engine but also enhance safety and reliability at sea. Remember, a well-maintained engine is the backbone of a successful and enjoyable sailing experience. A crucial upgrade I've made right here in the bilge, our pumps. Original, this yacht came equipped with the standard drill pump, which is a solid choice for managing water on board. However, understanding the demands of the sea and the importance of redundancy in safety equipment, I decided to enhance our setup. To complement our existing system, I installed a backup pump, the Johnson Heavy Duty pump, capable of pumping an impressive 1,600 gallons per hour. This addition wasn't just about increasing our pumping capacity. It was about ensuring that in any emergency we have the robust and reliable support needed to handle significant water ingress. It's crucial to not only have these pumps, but to know they are in working order. Regular checks, cleaning debris and testing operation are part of our routine. I ensure both pumps are always ready to perform, effectively doubling our preparedness for any situation that might arise at sea. Adding this Johnson heavy-duty pumping was a decision driven by commitment to safety and understanding of the unpredictable nature of the ocean. Remember, the sea does not forgive negligence. 2 pumps means we are better prepared to keep our vessel safe and dry under any condition. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more tips on our sailing success. Until next time, keep sailing towards success.